Hello, Dan.
Hi, darling.
Yeah.
Uncle Nia. Of what you do, I don't pay.
Dan, as well, okay, maybe Minia KUMAWOOD Germany. Maybe Sano said, Sassimi.
Okay.
Now, what say Germany, dear? So when you Bruni Pia, the other do you know? No, now we to
Okay.
so we to car was say we are Juma, or no so ye Juma.
Okay.
Now, on my maybe PMOD, Bema any bad Pia. So about new school, so Bema new school, or Bama expect to say Bema and Bichiaka.
Okay.
Diane, met me baby, and I was a bit of a boot, and then the day in the first question because when I was in the P, baby, I didn't go to Yakui. Hey, Diana, my whole you on the more.
Okay.
Now, so dear, I was Mamma, if you want to be a dear. Would you be to be my peer as could did you go into loop? Maybe I'm going to now, sir, would they make the quick better make me up with our bells on to me, Mum, dear? You say, would you be PDR? May I expect to say, when I be your bells? No, I mean, come on,
thank you. Yamisra, of a boat of Bohon Sasa. Thank you so very much. Me fa call be a beam and stories no does so. Of course, you're live on Facebook, KUMAWOOD TV GH, live on YouTube, KUMAWOOD TV, Sam Darkus Initiative, Sam Darkus TV, so you're live. Oh, subscribe to your channel now. Now I like your page no. Now I comment now share now afufo so enye bi a share. Bishop Akwaba.
Good
and then so yaba.
Radia dia. Odi yon kwa che na omaya hoden. Ye kan se inshani ani die enkanedini. Na watwi mu emze Friday twemu no jape krum huriye onipa bia obampa eboni bi no odi force erade nhira na onka honye okase wono mumwa odi force hofiru anase mantia ebe ide e kasi school park 13 to 15 wono mpa ebo kase ne bekoso because of wa hona ebreni duru na papa ne ba ha kwan no wa no andima nkode a na otumashia ne hana ne makoto tedi amam brother yawada ni memre da bia ye bompa ya nyumre no nsom e wo kasi school park wonti no ya bobo aho na ebra yi nyina ye moye nsem na ye mompa ya abrotrefo nyina bari nyankopon nhira mo onkam ho no onyam kase enuan mam wo Ghana nyina so ebrade wo nhira mo onkam ho na onyam kase enokate onam si ado nyina ebrade nhira mo nhira no akosi adamfu a gosu membedi akofo muti dwumadi nyina ebrade wo nhira mo na ontre mashim dan
eno amiko piem ewo krom
okay
na miko piem ho na ne e ma no moton fos no bibi moton rises e moton fos na de o muso me mu o mo sem betana fidie so amenchia wo mu me so me capus fo so frafra enti manfosu a ene wo di me dwuma ankasa
za bodede obi an ze nan yan aba
ene fempe baby cry dey o si o ko jira ene o mu di me dwuma so wo fa anko be chia o mu manfosu a me ka cho se ne de me de wo dai and I'm sorry so no me de wa bet na enti manfosu a me chia no pay force line mo free despite abosa na sia melia frema mo nyina besimanfosu asmanfosu to brise oni ebusuan for say o ka say ma say o pa bia na meto ho
na aduru ha
na me wo kusala kwata won chae me so cha mo
erade nhira o nyina
wo sa ka kire me say wo fa anko be chiae esa ko sha de me chia mo ene ma mo ani wo fa nti ase me ka che manfosu ase wo cha
erade nyankopon nhira ensi usu na nka ehofu nyina wo fa ase ne ba wo suma na mo de ache no suma na mo de ache no suma no mo amene hunu mfaso a wo
na mko pe bi so eno nya bi aka meto na do mo yem menya nto
ofele
menya nto
kayem so be sa babiem
na so mo se meta ko o mo de se msi wo mo se meta
odi emfaso nhye PZ fo nyina
dum fo nyina chao
Central market fo nyina be dwa wo bia
afa kwa he money
mi nhira mo nyina
ene ma ye adwuma no wow yakofa first story right na me nchim yakofa story ne ba ye be dissect. Let's watch the video and come stay with us.
60 billion Ghana cedis na se bi betu odwa no Ghana for dodo na e kasa bi chirim se na sika krabia abata Bank of Ghana won toma kontonto so ntoma money ntonda wadawa enti dwadie be na kokodi e wetima boka 60 billion Ghana cedis na nam so amadom kuma no kra ye ne se ne for polpole do no ba ko 21 days omode ma amrado da Bank of Ghana no ni 2 deputies na be di kire mienu se won fo won di brent ho no mo enye saa da ne so wa no mo be ye de sabre ne so wa ne be hu no na nam so ama Bank of Ghana the reporter say PM on to switch him say sika 60 billion Ghana cedis se ka ba beto ho no enye sika krabia ne de kokoto anwamo ene sadin ana so de kokoto do kuna ne nchina mdi ye na maka na ba beto ho na ebom wa bra Ghana e kokko PM IMF mpenifo anim say ye pesika 3 billion Ghana cedis da ba bo Ghana ho bra no IMF ko ni mpenifo magana ye ho ntiase say ansa na sika mdo ma ye no yanya seseye betima di adanse se yanka se ne betima bobo sika no e de free maimu na aboa ama yetimi akonkan wa brabo mu na enkonko ba se de ni ba beto IMF nko aso enam so e ma ba de seseye domestic debt exchange program bae sa domestic debt exchange program abande bae no ene ma sika 53.1 billion Ghana cedis ekoko shemu enteka 60 billion Ghana cedis na ba beto hono no sika kwa bia ba Bank of Ghana wa fa anya hwe na ebum aban seseye domestic debt exchange program bae no ena se sika 60 billion Kano emu 53.1 billion Ghana cedis akwakoshemu na nam so ama enka ne Ghana mampanyi John Dramani Mahama opinyi say Franka Tufo e de ma endi samanyo kono akwakokire wo ne Facebook so kire mu say na ensembe na sika krabia Bank of Ghana o maka de akire yi wo boka enti say ye kwakoka o de kwakoshe domestic debt exchange program da bi mu nkwana mu pasa fufuru bi na mu kan kire Ghana fo mumbu Ghana fo na mu nja sese kaba na mu pebibi de kwakoshe o chiem se enche bebiri okokopie mu finance ministry o mu se Ghana sika sem basa Ghana fo kokokan ya o mu so se COVID-19 Ukraine Russia entokwa na che se kame akose MPP fo no enfunso bi a mo be ya Ghana fo be kan no mu obibi a mo de be hye enka ne Ghana mampanyi kire mu se anu year Bank of Ghana edi aba se eka aba na ya ma se domestic debt exchange program na kokofo eka na ba no o chirim se wodi tumu a enye yi
then they tell us and na Ghana for ya wa ho chiremu se ya wo se ye tetetete nyema so no bi abo na bosum no omo de hia wo mo wa boka 60.8 billion de hia omo ne se omo be si new head office complex because baby omo ti se na mu nye fe edan na ye dada omo pe dan a ya bansuru bebre a ye de nhwehwe na ahyehye to mabo wo mu ni ade no matena matimi ayo omo adwuma eja kwamna
yes
wa hu obi a wa bi adwuma na adwuma na boka adwuma ne boka wo bedwen kwan wo befa so etua ka no na company na sans we gina na so bi mu a o se sa afe na adwuma na boka 60 billion na no o kwa kwesi office complex foforo what be that office amutimi ayade say ye see office 1957 na sa na ye ka de ne ka ministries nyina ka emu bu mu ni ensi foforo because ministries ye see in colonial days uni mada ye wokro mu ha ye see in colonial days but that he dada ye see no the same day amose muntimi ntina mu because mu manya sika didi amen shepe eno na jomama breso governors no Dr. Nasiru ni mpanyifo omutena mu ye adwuma enya amfaso omunya sika no omunya mfaso ni mpo no o man nwe ho so bu kosi office foforo omu di kosi hospital nyansafo no no
sa dabrebe na sa den
ya
then this aban wa ban
yen kosi we edan ya make one semi opposite Ridge Hospital fefefe na joma amesi yen ni opposite sa dan no musi na pillars na ye antian no ehwehwe no mba be hyehye no musi ni sa Bank of Ghana for dan no a content chain dan dia won kan because he can be atwa and ye dem contractor no contract no so ye in dollars wo Bank of Ghana wo se memma company bi an charge ana enkotu sika in dollars no wo ma contractor wo dem in dollars you pay the CD equivalent of $250 million adey it is number 1 the timing of the project is wrong say we hear new head office kwa enye this time say na asase wo so sia edan ne bebubu na daimono na mokwa kwesi na asase wo so sia kwa na ka cho se begina wa na Ghana kwa asase wo so sie emfie se ni 1939 ye pe ene ade ye threat to Bank of Ghana ya asase wo so
say asabiase ko na wi asase wo so be
na wan na ka masa abroche taki na asase wo so sie no adaimono amu adaimono amu
na say after mo
na wo asase wo so sia wan na ka cho asase wo so sia wo ye daimono a je se wo mu ejina asase wo so na ebesi ni so Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Enti sika dey ya award contract $250 million. Omo fan kosi office na yetinya nya ho sika. That is all. Kwai omo be first when sika no mo dwe ho. Master tie me.
Okomiti.
Kromwa hotel ben pa na so a efe. Ghana. Hotel ben na so pa efe. Your number 1 5-star hotel ben.
Ede me kon ketenkete no monti.
Wo di akese no. So what it be?
Ma TBD but me nim.
Em na no wa. Wo di enye Kimpiski.
Kimpiski ya.
Enye Kimpiski. Kimpiski unim ne bo. $50 million. Na just who so the $250 million you could see head officer. Enye Kimpiski sa times 5. Ade office no musi no. Omo ko chichiri kuru. Omo chichira another heavy ana. $250 million for one building. A country like Ghana in this critical time.
And yetine kano. Bishop and da hono Ghana yetimo.
Rani nyango ponchira omo na onyo omo kese. Say politics asem no kra ba ya me hunu ha me sin kan firi se. Ni enkansa beka se ma su enye no. Se enkansa na enya chance ya. Oye ma ne boroso. Nti no media mabeti ase se omu nyina sikadie ye omu de. Di somso omu nyo ma ni ye ma yen a.
Okay.
Omu nya na ne oba so bi anya ne obeye.
Okay.
Ifiri se ya me ofa si kan. NDC maso emu megina nkoso nkansa asemi ya. See project aye ne baabi no. Sika aban na friend say John Dramani mama akotam na de ye de ade a. Utebe ne so ne bu okura yisi ndi ade no obese sika no ha. NDC mama nenka sam no kwa pese tabi etam sika eburu ne ayekoye so no muma da no wa yamen sesa na kan butum.
Okay.
The same apply to your MPP foi na nso seja onim se wa hwe no wa ampe ne pumasi bra nduso momra no na kom da ho.
Yeah.
Ti oso no so pe na yeboa no biguo no nso be onya kakra ma ne nsa akona no ehun ntokwa na nye oman na ho dwene ndi no omoko politician bie no wokom oman no ye Ghana ha omu nyina ne oni aban mu na ekonse ebeja ne yema ne bia guo no omso ba aban mu omanya bia tafre no wa aban mu su defend na ban ne se be ya be koso akwa abonten wonya bia diansa na wafira aban mu ento omu nyina adwuma ba akono a sebe me am wo faase John Dramani me ama penso e woni ema bebire koso budget ya de ye no na nkenye sika sa na ye pagya omumra omumeka nkyere e ka wo mo born central market sa yi si kumase ikejeti awi omekire na fiansa mpe wota ne board ne emfa nko compare se sika bia mfa ni pansa ase a interchange ye na kraka kai so overhead we se wanwan omumra meka mount a sebita flat ekohye mu na yesu ye ni nkomo nkyere omo se ye wo ne ma bebira ya ne Ghana ha di sika wo fom pan di se sika no msom di ye we dia ka osi ehunu no times 3 ama penso esi anado penso esi enye news yen na wosi ye chim because omu ni ye ni ye yen na wosi ye chim because omu enjoy omu diska come to yen ye won totode yen nso no ye ya ukasa kura no wakoma ho aho omini ma woda bia jama nipa kasa nya de obi an voice ye de pa na oto no aso dem kura nya de ekoma tuntwam nipa ne ekoma ma nipa we de nya febiem eno yen na ye sofa yen ye won komodi omo de mesere na nidi mu a ye dan ya be kwa beto ma bobo an ye behwe ye tikuruma ye nyina ebehu edu okwa na hu se nipa kanfo pa enti ye na ye bre nyomo ye ne ye won totede omudi nkomu ne omudi amomo akaje ze kuruma ye wokwan bi wo ye de asa kwan ye ndisi fo dia ye wokwan bi wo ye de ye MPP fo dia ndi MPP wo power kora ndisi fo dia no nko ho da sebe ye ni nyambo nso be kasem ko ye kwan no nya bibia di ye wo school bi wo ye party bi dia nduwe ba won si ho da onso won de ye obekon ho senkente sa na ase me boa patro ye den obi timbe project obi ba won to aso ye ja to no ye be dibia no nso ba we kase okoto aso no nso dia be dibia so munim plan we nyina ya mo metra TV ne radio so enye ma ye mfiliza ase mo ko ama ye ensum botom ase mo ko ama ye masum due mu ase mo ko ama ye makansu a enna mo dwene ho dina mo ye ne mo ye na ye wuna tra
enti wo ne se sa meje mfika se ya o kasa bibri no yomboto mtia
opa fansa mama na yesa project na yesa sanchiri mu nke be free samja wunvuo na aba
okay
kasa amne ko bi na ye kan ko no abeje platform mu chirim
okay e defend
aje onimi american ena mekan maka be sise se ne american nya sa na tie wo makato ya omumum dia mu nyina pe ah na atawia ne nyankoma gonya ntafo achi ne enya sa adi no yeah we don't have what you gonya try ya do to obi odesa what is yesu obi de tawia obi de nyankoma go bia wo je ntafo achirifo entinya news aya adwuma ni mu asem mu amunim ah ti obeso ocheje John Dramani mama penso sabi project bi anko so a sika fa ni banza ase aya ko compare sa project na nke en deserve sa amount ni etwato so no munyina ma ye bia aga mu fra bamba de modidie ade da ho no ana motene kakra de to nsuo nom ade yayim modidi dinyame na betuatua munyina moka tua bibifoɔ ka tua ndisifoɔ ka madem bɔne am de betena kuro so a modwene mo boto modwene sabe mu feeling ho modwene mo asomdue ho makontuo mu fi a mo besie ka papa mo bedam ɛtɛn o man yie yo abrawrade abom kokose mommɔ mpa ye makura ye mamutukom na mo hwe kuro ni yie die na kuro ni di yie a ana mo bedi yie na enso mo nwene ye ho kuro bi e pese o mo di yie no mam o man ni di yie tu gwa abrocha sa na te abdo a wotima di yie enkura ya wo mo di yie o mo to mo awofo ho to mo idiama kuro ni mpanimfo nyina die ubusata se ha nipa no odoje traffic na atwere ba ha no reason being ne se mo de ye di ato onso to mo so de ade e ma mo anyam ya ye kuro de mpanimfo na adi ye ana temamfo bere ndi na da bia ga na nya akono no ko bia mpanimfo de sebe tafrache o ma dwene wo fom ni nimdi atọ fom ene o munim di o munini abro ebetete kuro ni se bia no da ya wo ye dan ya kuro no mpanimfo no wo sika nso munya fe yare de jo mo boso asema beti bia ye what a shock because adwemboni atreni pa akum onipa bia adwemboni ti utrim no akum bia no abra bokra nya fe ukure sika kra ho nya fe tiempa info so betu ani ahwa obi atura ano etenje pim so obi dress pa na ano de abrofo no o twiri sakre ba abehunu ne tura nice decent edan ho kama we panyini ba hu se dress ni kroma de ya sofo wo sha tura ti say as a jepim as a life ni
don bo life o
no o se mo dan ya me be yi picture de atro no ara de o de say o mo da so te ase o mu nwi o de ase se tie ni isi wo mo wa ha da bi ni ya ikura e bi da so kura bi to
guys say dey
guys ne di say me man na e ba na de empanyimfo na dan edi e kan ya kosi say ne ya ka kosi nyina san ka yesi ya komo o man no ba ne wo kunni e dan ni bedi ne wa the same thing
yeah
mi awurade chiri nko an ye ne kuro we mu dan na gbonu so falumbe kwan na monye mo man no ho nto mo me nkoma no minister of sanitation
obesisa
bo so adane no say defend ya de na no wo kono even including timamufo kura ye kwan na ye ni ne ebedie wo de kodwom ko hentos no no amu ton no ono osi entoto o mani ye no afa ntos no ayiba akono 2 million badro be shisha ono no bu ayi tomatoes ba akoni siwa what did you 50 cedi tomatoes be kwa de ba akoni musa dey says 250 we bu atraso na wo adu we kura na obi so akonya aban mu de ono de obeda akasa akire no wa wunya sika ketua bi wokọ na wa de ton banche no wa wo ton bo de wokọ na ho no wo de be bu eda so metem yensa 10 cedi dibuja sa wo ne de minister ne ma wa wo ne ma finance minister na ade na be di kuro na na yesu tesa ye nyina ye nsesa ya dwena kuro ni mfa ntoma pamfranye sa ye benya sika nso nyam betua ye ka abrabom ye be won twetweda ye bebre ya de beto ye ntruzo amane ma akọ bazade amaye
ye huna bane o
obi adwumbone wo bi atirim adwumbone wo bi atirim
wo se de na ma adwumbone bo bi atirim
sam panifo na abi odi ato da kuro tiram se wudi no kura akwasi e komuku on se de abi odi no ndi uti wa anu obi tam kakra blo se 50 million ni every month bi aso ma 1000 masem ya be botugu a ya de betu na be dey o be trans ya sere na ze be nya asem bia wanka o hiti kanipa ni mu no we de nya asem bia no baba na we in life o de yam fa we into da yam fa we into adi 50 adi 50 ye efe
ya me ne boafo
ya tikrom ni ye se ya efe
all right
o de se abranti so abranti fefe yo tu
o samje fi se
ya nko mesi biom se maka to se afia ye ko wura ma bato ne mama afa ye ko ba bi ma
do wadwin chiro
se o se
bi atimi si
me de menyi mfiro bi asem se me na madre na mecha menyi obi adwene bibia de ntimi si nkwa bibi obi onke ye jim kura ne yetikuruma enti no e ba sa dan ya ne ebesi ano no
all right, let's moving on this morning. We are live on Facebook, KUMAWOOD TV GH. live on YouTube, KUMAWOOD TV, Some Dark Hussein Initiative, Some Dark Hussein TV. Also there, subscribe to our channel. You like the page, you comment, you share. Na afo front so enye bi ashe. Na abeto dwa nkofo na ebisa es Mrs. Cecilia Dapa, Abena Dapa, MPP Dapa, our beloved honorable Dapa. Is she arrested? Well, if she didn't.
No, far from that. We're not against Kisi Ajapin, far from that. I think he's getting some very bad advice. Because I know him. I think he's getting very, very bad advice. This is not how to do your work. So you do nothing, then now you come. In a directional advice, that advice that Attorney General gave to CID, Kisi Ajapin could have procured and produced the same reports. After going to search the house and telling media that you searched the house for 5 hours, which he says he didn't. He says he didn't tell media that. Today we'll come to something else about OSP's office and its relationship with the media. There's a person in OSP's office who is leaking information to the media. That is very wrong. And these are the people who are giving Kisi Ajapin the bad advice. And he's not listening to good advice from Martin Amidu. The criminal justice system doesn't work like that. Because the fundamental principle of the Anglo-Saxon common law is innocent until proven guilty. You see all the work Attorney General has done. Have you seen him say anything about it? Have you ever seen the Attorney General with camera anywhere? But this is the work he's done. And OSP is now relying on Attorney General's work to now say, I've seen. So he goes, he folds his arms. He's there, I see something on media. Hey, then he goes to do charade. Then he withdraws again. Then Attorney General says, okay, let's get the work done. Bring me the docket. DPP, come, let's study the docket. Study this. What do you think? Then they write a cogent advice out to the CID people, and then the CID is responding to the advice. Based on that, they delist some of the accused persons, they arrest more people, and the process is going on. Then you come and Attorney General has done his process. No, you say, hey, I'm going to court to seize the account. Why? In a directional advice dated 31st July, the Attorney General directed the Director General of Criminal Investigations Department of the Police to investigate the true ownership and sources of the amounts reportedly stolen from the residence of the respondents herein to enable the Attorney General take comprehensive decision. Attached and marked as Exhibit OSP2 is a copy of the Attorney General's directions. My goodness. You are using the Attorney General's directions to go and seize accounts. Why? Is it a money matter? Is it a money matter? Do the work. This thing Attorney General has done, you could have done. You went to take cameras there to go and show that you are doing the work. You took camera and drone and called Joy FM that they should come. You can't do the work. This what the Attorney General is doing is the work. That is the work. Do it. Don't be doing camera. Don't be following. Don't get crowd be following you. And Cecilia Dapa now needs security because she goes to town. They say, "Hey, Cecilia Dapa, on the way we are 1 million," no? And they are going to attack her. That's what is happening because of the very work of the OSP, which he hasn't stopped. Today he did it again. The leakage to Joy FM. I'll come to that. Today he did it again. You are not doing the work. All you are looking for, go and play football and score goals for Black Stars and get that. That's what you do. There are you. We're number 10. Go to the field. Or you can be Tiwa Savage, or you can be Davido or Shatawale. Release some song. Sakode. Yes, you are a star like that. But you are a prosecutor. Your work is not about stardom. Your work is about substantial substance. That's what prosecutors do. You don't ever see them. So you won't do the work. When Attorney General does the work, then you take Attorney General's work, say, I've gone to see that, but then everybody's saying, what do they call them? Civil society. Oh, OSP has done a good job. He has seized his Ladapa's account. Oh, that's what he's looking for. And I don't know whether they think all of us are so gullible that we cannot see that this guy is not working. He's not doing the work. Charles Edubwahin's matter was referred to OSP 1 year ago. Where is the report? Where is it? Ask him. 1 year ago, President referred Charles Edubwahin's matter to him. Charles Edubwahin was seen in an announced video collecting money. He denies wrongdoing. The president asked him to leave his government. He did. President said OSP should look at it. 1 year, 12 months, 12 calendar months, 0. Next thing we know, Cecilia Dapa's matter has come. Oh, I'm going to arrest the camera, video, drone. Then 0. Then Attorney General does the work. Then you come and take the Attorney General's work. Oh, I've gone to garnish accounts. And civil society cannot see through this. civil society cannot see through this to tell the OSP that, Chief, sit down and do the work. Taxpayers are paying you. Taxpayers are not paying you for this charade, driving around with motorcade and 4 or 5 cars. No, taxpayers are not interested in that. They are interested in the work that you are doing. Where is the work? The guy is not even doing the work. He is not doing the work. When Attorney General does the work, then he comes to take it and says, I've gone to seize accounts. And then he stays there. Okay, he has marked the Attorney General's document as his exhibit. Can you imagine that? What is this? You see, viewers, we are building a society. So it's not against anybody. It's not for or against anybody. The people who have the responsibility of the state should be seen to be doing their work correctly. The people who have a responsibility to report, like me, should be seen to be doing their work. The people who have any type of work to do should do their work. You don't sit down, come and do media, and then nothing. No interview. You've interviewed Siladapa. Where is the report? What investigations have you conducted? What are your initial observations? The OSP, you've been to Siladapa's house. You said you spent 5 hours counting money. What are your initial observations?
Well, I do more tray and or the explanations be brave. Back on say my Miss Siladapa, Sebi son Sebi Nyado, Tiketri trade the May 74. Aqua Kubiamana Kupi quarter, ye chen of Sonia Basaman for say, hey, is she attacked or what? Baba, Paul.
I have a young punja for Adumochi. I want to know Koowaa can no pay. At the actually we are singing, I say, a panning and Juma, name Attorney General Yavia, now a two copy, now or the Atuane Jumaso. I had dear. And the could be say internet for penny one, they can't add dinner. Actually, will be all your cuckoo drufo. You would name me a warrior, Nibiti Masachiraka. Tinia country, woman when he piece on the one you must say the Sefata. Now, or mine on fan and to my penfura. Debbie Amekaze, without Ghana, in I nothing. The moon I free. Tis a Ghana or why, and a my drew. Into be a rule, Ghana Muna Woyano, the patrol me a 1 year. Corinthians 3:22 was here. You may be away in few cramuye. So we may I don't many perfectly said. When himself, I didn't say no yaped, dear secretary, Christo yes, and I'm someone. When you be away near entering on the entering one Katiana Bannis war. It will not say that you may be said, oh, yeah, what through Cremunia one yet, obey a dear through Crem because a Nutin Yauka, a Nutina would be BD, says so, says soon, one of my dear Tumna way, DNA in ye. Now you Buddha, a Ghana corner. Aya dear. Na Diane, no kure woman idea denise. The patrol Paul Adam watchery. Say, yeah, papa, BOP use a 1 OP, and man and a Juma. I'm a patrol, Utimiko ye Dumano war, Attorney General Office, DNOAG, and what they Friday any away and one. The patrol, Unyano, Coreno, and
Say, my members say, no say, according to Senia, a Pollard mortuary, a cake and semi. Person bisa say. Obeso chese senka Attorney General ekoye hwehwe mu bia do be hu bia na wo so de beto abonten ama obi ehu ana senka onye ni nyina wie ansana di ohu ye ne di osusu no o de aba abonten na because utie Paula, that's how he wants the Attorney General to behave or to do.
Senyor na frɛ no ewa adumanim
special prosecutor.
Yeah, nyor na frɛ no wa adumanim nti ono so na ye na aduma no ni method o pese o de ye aduma no.
Okay.
Nti ni nyan say end results no be ye say nkunimdi a ye hwe yensa ye de aka. So what kuruma ya wo ye say aduma we. Okay. Ye nchi hia ni mo mfa meto ayi so nhye dan chechirim se se de mututi hia ni nkemre mu kenye sengi wa ye bida.
Dabi.
Ni adodode ye wo ho ade no ono so ye ne sa ko ye nyina ye nipa na wo ye media aduma ye nyina so follow. Ena no pe wo kan so you think say ubia na ye wan wani ya wontimi hunu se wadwuma ni na se ni trade wom e so mom wo fom nya sa no pese wo ka na wa wo ye crash ni no empredo do se na tu ni trade a wo be chire mu ye hunu se uke ye wade bi se wo ho a chire wani obi e bi won nsem nya ye kuntokwa ni nyina wi e betam kakra de ama wo ya ye kuntokwa ni nyina wi e be chia wo ye be fro betena fie se jinsuo yi nom nya me betu obi aka Ghana se de wo ye na dwuma nya me be mu obi abre o younger age babu eska no na mom old age no nipa babu aboso de wakofa akon a wo mpe ndi na wo ye adwuma no aye ne se de se fatana Ghana atumpon se papa na ye na dwuma wanya yi o sisiri ada pesi ke ya ye kan wase ndi nipa pamu ni wo ye nipa dwene Fani se papa na ye na dwuma yi wanye uye nipa dwene say as Ghana minister am a pacho enyo na ye more nya ne dia
yeah
odi asem na se aha anam no ka say be onye covidio onye Ghana akwan odi ase enti no sabe na ze covidio bu mpokura sa amount ya ye bobobodin dan ye nkura asem
dabi
enti ba adom ji nim se we no de ase ye domo suko ya ye de o man na de bi fra ndi onipa wo do o man no obedi ke nye no wona ebihihia kura sa no abedwene kwan ya fa so atoto ade no
yeah
Manu unu za ne baketwa sabe eja edua ye soja wa ase ne soja na ne ba na efuru sa edua no onfa yam hyehye ma bone wan ni sifo no oba se me emfuru wie ne em se oba hwe ase ansa
no hwe ase
die tom na bia obetima akokora won hwe ase o nenso ayam hyehye ndi oba start aya ne ni kwan se wo ya ansa just to prevent the care ansa na later aba ya papa ye ya wozi wan fanye she ye kwan so a ni onima se media na ba no ma ba be kan je no nso dimidika no ba se ya cost up na kan se ya ko ni se no eno so na ebo ma me na nya nkwa Ghana ni bi to ohun si aye ne sa ohia na ne ho nya na hi so upon we na ye de enza to so ti nipa na kuma to ne yem kakra but obi nso gohia ne tese dada de si ye mfa enza to so be ka we se ngosi we na ma me ne de adame hu no won se de case ni dia enti ne fa bi no so Nia special prosecutor ye what you save ma me ni bi
okay
what you asem na say obi a wo obasekan oba na wu na ati se police for watch na akoma nto ye mu nchen so ne na mo asem ni ne ufisi adum ni ge ya ye bo ni tuei ani ye nchi police ni besi na say adum fo hia police ni ba bi o mu nkuno
majoa
ko mu nkuno
obe kuno
but o mu tese ya chi no onso mu re chechire kakra de to bi asem bi wa ye hwehwe mu wie but anamonto bi a ye betu manipa boto ne yam na fietmenya abotre de atoaso na denti na ngobi de ka abo bi a ye pese first and omrama report to police station na police for nche go wa anya ne sa kuroma ni nya no mbabu na kuno te so do hu kosie na kuro na koma tom yam so de bo no ka ya chi no e ko yese ya nche wo dwane o mu hia wa mbuku yes
e be shabufu
edi o case bi o ha nipa no ye na de ne wonim se de wo nim wadwuma sabe ne yenim kuratim de be fra ye ne yiem ye ne gie sa na de asema wa wo kan wonim se Ghana bo vo bojo zo porochi na chire mu ye se enye kama wo ye ni so ye de yedai o ma na wo chire ne akohie sika bi wo ba bi ne se nya ne kwa so no edi ade ti de ne wo kwa se ye de nsa to so de ahwehwem na acha se ye ngo hwehwem nu se nipa ni fu ansa ne de nsa abeto so sabe panyinu kaza se ase oni dire ase sabe udidi wo bi nsem na asem to no na wo defend ase woni de obi so ase ya promise o se bibia ko to asum de mo e betem bibia yes because nkomo no e fam ba bi so de ne to asum
wrong so ba bon te cheche mu se
wo ya ban ni ba ene ehunu sika bi esusu se gina juma wo ya no kwentimi man sa amount no it is your business bi kan wona be ba ba chirem unya nchire mu yi de as dibira na ye de ama onya sika we ye expect so obenya ye de nsa ato so edibira ba chirem uje chirema na ye wo de a afa state ni wo mpata anom de ma go magu hu fi no de muro mna kwanzo dizu obi aye sei na de aba onye na juma ene oto a wo so ye wajuma na tosini unzo ye wadwuma wo po adoma dwere wo ye wadwuma tosini
okay
asa no kura ye afuru katere maso se di partner se din ni ahwe onkomodi a asa wo ho ma party bi asa wo di party bi nsem asa se ye hwe ni din a asa alleged asa wo ye obi dia asa wo kuo ba akopa bim asa se kuo no nko asem se wo defend but the kuo foforo de esi dia wo be kirem on sorry adene de
yeah
asa maami bi akofa akora abetena ne nchen se ne ba ne ye mfunso a ye defend but ne ote ne nchen ne ye mfunso a ye kirem ye hunu se mistake abanie from Teoda
sir
and from adi hu pa dia wonya awrade asem se ne opentem anya ne hono amfa kwampa so de sa wo akokọ video mutukosu anya ne dia so obuni na mu mienu no agya fa wie ye oye kwase a etomre bi ne ye bobra yesusu me ye ni ni sika achi ne ye nyase ye ton ye nokore de awrade asem se ton nokore men ton to nyansa atenatene ne nhunumu nsoso ndi yesre ye nyina ye pesika na ensu siganya a efe na akono ene se ubedi nokure akosi wuda na nokure ni mu abaso no ema udini mu ye du no anim ye nyam ti Mr Paul o komo ma no so wadwene ma ye no kura mu ntokwa na wo ko obo ade nhira
na senya no credit
so wadwene mu no so ya pobo mu ntokwa na wo ko eye pesa minkum nya ntokwa na wo ko eye kugaji ade na wo ko a twere ya mbo ataso na ni hu ma nyina wose awurade da so wo hwe onipa so obehu so obi ye papa bi anaso otrini ni a nanso o ma ni nyina apro se ye no bi na wo ye de atwede ya mbo nanim kokko mu asem se de o ka tro onipa se o mnante ble obe nante akoba bia wa wo pe no na mu ngokra ble obi na bebo aboso no awurade ma aboso bo entum kofo bi bra mo ani no kra mo man no
kislewu
wose ye hu Gongofo bi di adwene didi kromu a aye kola tunwom da bi o me kama so de wa mobra aso de nyansa na wunim but wo po mani yie no so de o man ba bi o mbedi di akono e ho no mu di ngomako onipa bi a wote sa Ghana asase so afia ye kosi mu awurade nyankopon twa ne gama ni buase kase nto no o man nko amane asa betafra de ska wa bra nyanyi no obehye no o ma hunu se kro na ye tim no ye hia kro no mpuntuo e chen yen aye ho
it's true
asa biskani nyina bedi wona o yare a nyani oni scan na ekohwe oyare na akona community bone woni tirenye pane bone na obewo
mewo grass
ana ndiye besre
okay
ye nyina ye nwunu ye no obi ansere
great and the BSC that's so na siantia for you krum ha na yebutu ba make how say live on Facebook KUMAWOOD TV GH live on YouTube KUMAWOOD TV some darkos initiative some darkos TV so yeah live ho ade abeto jani say yebushafo a omutwa betting any lottery make can say lottery ni ade so make a lotto for is abeto jani say if free August busumi nida etoso I think say yes if 15th aye ochna ko utwa betting bia ye bejo 10% afi ni lotto for 10%. Eti diabeto jano some beja tum some majuntum say bekoso say enkoso yenhwe video na yembre from tomorrow you're going to pay 10% out of every bet bia where they will be chat
Revenue Authority for the buyer say one now we try lotto one now we try bet so we try bet na wunye sika free ma wusika na wanya no ubetua eto wo ho eye ohanchechemu edu and then pennyfo dia ba say a free August bo so me dey to so edunum sa emra no eba be ye adwuma enu nti omo dia to one na wo twa bet pennyfo ni nyina ene one na wo twa lotto pennyfo ni nyina say no emra na eba be ye adwuma August bo so me dey to so dunum ya enu nti obia enhwe se obedi sa emra no so wutwa lotto na wunwini a sika bia wo be wini bia no aban ebeji mu 10% afenso wutwa bet a sika bia wo benya bia no aban ebeji mu 10% wasesa emra we no ewo se obia di so esan se eto eyade a yede to oman no empon eto yade aban no ejeje ede ye mpuntunwuma hodo ede bo ayankasa ye ho enu ti se emra na aba no ade hye bi ye o madwen so omudi omuntua omo se emra no edo be fa mra kwan so ye be twa so ewo emra kwan so enu nti Ghana Revenue Authority for the abase every August bo so me de to so dunum no eyade a wo mo twa bet ni lotto no eto ye 10% no ye beje ede afri omo nchen Revenue Authority for the buyer say one now we twa lotto one now we
more no as say wow ko twa lotto na only 20,000 30,000 40,000 50,000 yeah Joe 10% out of a yesika na wa we no baba
na ye atwa entimi kasi ye ntu ye atwa brebre ama ne anya de
baba zungo bo betwa
ye atwa
akwebe ni wo madwuma ba kwi mu da bia o twa 500 Ghana bet o
dan ya ade o
na ye di ni fam na onu su di bi
dan ya ade o ka Ghana asemu a
me amakotwa bet na ma we no
adwuma we menya ya ye bejeli me ko wasem wo be da wa won o se panyin ode mra na ba ko no sustu ni wadi na tem no asole ko because it make sense bia as a hia akoma
go mesro
dan ya obetuma twa lotto 1 month na wundi bi da aban tena senka se de lotto di me mabunu yi de efine ko twa no wa ni bia ska di twa ye ma 10%
je
na nke nipa ni timu nya ne dempo no ntwa ma aban ni nya ska mo na nse mu ko fa hwan so metena lotto so no ode ne hyehye ye foforo abadan ubetuma twa lotto 300 years na nya ba ko ni aban anyi no wo sa wo tu sika gu du ke yenye se ne nwia o mani jempo no mo nya ne mo So wa ubetwa bia we ni sika no se utwa 500 ye ma 10% fato ho na nka nipa ne kra me
sa
no so ka de na nyam fai but ne omo ye no kra efe
yeah
mo omo miem se nipa ni bi nipa kobre nya no de betra se abrabo be fa ma na da edi ni nyina chi ni da obedi bi kra bia entimi ndua ka wo boy ansa no odi bi no
yeah
o se me se 10% na da Ghana yen ya yatim no ye moa na sabita frache uko follow mu kra na wunu jata du mfa ni die kakra ma no aye ehu mo di ya wunwane aboa ne kakra wutimi hu aboa bi wo wura ma wo ye wudi ni kra na wontete kakra aye de mo de ade bi e ba ye so a asa mo mprane ade no ho asa mo nte ya wo ma ye asa ye nya nipa asa ye mu bi ntimi nya panyini da ache asa ye mfira busuam na aye da yi mo ye sa na mo nya de yi we nyina chi am de gu ye so na nya na nim gu ase ne aye mo IMF was IMF. Yenu nyina nya wa nim gwase no no.
IMF. Sese de nya.
Taxi bebrebe nyina nya ba bi ekọ wie no no. O man kwasiafo amu ni dire. Mu wa ni nsumu na de mu wa so mu ndi asem. Mu nim kwa fa so prane abrabo. BBC mo numu ana mo kọ awurade asem no no. Suma yo man kwasiafo mu ni dire. Mu wa ni nsumu na de mu wa so mu ndi asem. Na ko menya nkwasea mpafo manya ena nka ye manya sabe nya awurade asem kan ya so te asem a tigie mfiri ase ehunu kwa ba so aye nhyehyeye ama Ghana efa ne ntuma pa afiri ase da bia timamfo na ewo ntotode se enye o man kwaseafo aye wa ni zu ehunu ade a tigie ehunu ba bia da na da kyen ko en start ntene ne ma ntene maye o man nkwaseafo amu ni dire awurade asem de pa
sa ana mu pidodo
sa ko Bible no mepisa ni pa kro tro ma deep ayinti no eba wa tinso do anu gba ya na aye ayi
aito kom
yi ya to so sa ama lottery so eto da hu nyina achi na fe de wo wudi a ya tikuro ma obi asende mobile money chem no ye ete no me aye de chem no so ye ete me ya ji atum Ghana man sole ne yede dane agura ba se beto mire bi no wan obi ba be ka cho so oba wa wo no kura tua ho nto me nam ka kire wo
ntwa to
na wo pre no duru ho so ye be jo na we nketo asumu we usika mirim sika abro sa me pade me nya wafa na me nya ade aseme de ande me mire obi nyansa be ne wo
ai
me nya ne de wafa wan tua ho to ama me am de bere wo no na se da koro pa didi ma na me benya wo eno de also wo je ho to nyansa be pa na wa gomo we mu gomo we sadie wo gomo we ewo be ne wo gomo wunya si gire wo gomo we nya mako na wo gomo we
yeah
nya mako ya de pepre ni wise atuma akeka do tato e na wo gomo we ede
baby it's not
obi di ni hia kodwa na wanya 50 cedi mo ya da beti 10 cedi no de atwa na mo di no na mafa na wakosam 50 anu aba mo di no wafa 3 months na mfa ma no na one day pe odi bi kura bi o cheke ensu sika odi atwa ade no o se ande ma gimutuo yate ebetua yate ebetua
nti wa encourage say
yate
hentua
media nka bitiri mu panki obi anya idwa na sa company ne kura nsa mo aban ka moto mu ntwa loto biem man bet mu ntwa biem na ho nyina ye bo na nka kakra ne ekotwa ma aban nya no kura sa ahwede no na sa mo ya ade am o me prane o me trans yesusu adwira kwa akire it will be a deep thinking before they will come out
yeah
enso Ghana wo ka say wo no wonya say animde no obi wo kire no onim say ye de ye be fa ma no da so ginam tida bi omtimi yo mo de keda Ghana nya ne madwen ye pa ka mo ba mo ni nya ne ye firi fon so ka mo de sa nhye ne ba ye no mo hu so mo djuma na egu they will begin to think ada ne etikrum mse be kakra wo mpabo e be hyekro be ka so nante afa bia wa wo nante na afa bia no tuato wo ho mo nante ezimizim mo mfa mo huni e be se Ghana ma nante nyina ko bia mbezo obetua
ene ko omunyo obi antua me ya me hye me mpabo anu mi se ntua ho to
na nya wa na wadi usika na yezitua I started from what
no na mama you tell them something
so you need to fire them from today na fe no man fa chena de na ama
where asem
yile vie kwa ya gitu ndi amu ma nwode no mu yewe eduru esu gitu ma nwode foforo be sa ba mo ma ye bibi foforo muti kroma de pa be na mo ye ma ye nye twedi ampo boye ne nani di ya chinga kran bibi ba be ba na pia fram pipi aba mu di aba ma o man yi
ba
bibi pa be na pia di amu obe ye kan wo sen kansa etuo bebrebe we ni asa chem 4 years account nke ye yare kura me ntro ababa me mompa ye pap man bibi da kire o mko ba biem me na mka kire o.
Don't you think say bin so aside to no person mo gigin so mo de be bibi abo.
Yile bi mo je na mo se be bibi am na wie pa cho tie de no de aye ene kan sa na me nyintum no mo ntro awe so. We the question one wo busa ntima busa obi. Omo se be ye kwan nyina ye gito mo ye ma ho dendi. Ye nya ye wura opizu odumfo se tukura ko kan bi. Emo hene foforo de ni nya asem se nye we na wo so. Won zo de bua ba na na ye ni obetima ye ya jeje. Undua yile bi no.
Okay.
Aye den.
Okay.
Go so kwan ko he. Ya jiwie kwa no mapira me. Ko hem krum kwan. Utu kwan ko ba tire oto na de foforo. Nso yile bi ni ya je. Didi ya na ade beda adam se loto die na ebe boa wo. Am wetima ko hem krum kwan na ma me.
All right.
Ya mom poni ni di o man so a. O man si apini. Eye awurade asem ampa. Se dipa boni ni nipa adempani ni trim. Nipa ompem koso nipa ne kokko ha no. Nipa o ye de serve so odi wo abrabo anima wo bre. Tianya nwanwa ayesa wo sie wo na busu apanyini sabi wo papa nu ya bi ademboni wo dira begina mehe wa mpre anko papa adamfu bi ho na adu jimi gazo we do papa nu ya wo bewu
so
wo papa ko wie na edi be wa mante wo na bosi ya do papa na ka wanum wo se ba de na obeye aha na abedi trim de wo me ba bua mo ato awse wa asema do wo na wo se nyam papa na ejina ya minu ya wa wiri ni baba ko be ba fatu me wo me manani nya ne ya na nyo papa na
papa na
na de asem na mbape wo ken won ya abadwuna bodam de tom ne bia Ghana yen to odon tonkune yen approach nsem se de tie no ma ne fa ne toma pamvira
okay
yen ye do ba wa ba no aye ne aye mpa e be kire o se wa be ye tambo
exactly
na kuro na ye fe ya Ghana e kwa de be kakra de wona ma na aduane da fom no afa di umfele
eno kwa de bi nsi
asimbo wona ento wo kongrasi ko nkrom se sa kube wo fom we kokowe meme titro mutu kwanya obi adi jollof rice ene bi aka so otokre nkure frefo mu ba dibiga akoko da so akoko no ma fumu me na me ka tro me bu anya me ntua me ka ya mpa so Ghana mpanyimfo mmere no ma dwom bone om de didi gro no se ne ameka ya mpa obi mpo tie no ohunu za de bi da Ghana mpanyimfo mmere dia na muti kro ma ye kro ba sa sa
okay, so we are live on Facebook. KUMAWOOD TV GH live on
YouTube.
Oh, nobody's
Madam Fumo. And I ebani say akwa mpanyimfo na wo fie bi tietia. Se wo tran no fe ka we emza sa no
yo.
Ya ombu.
Obi anyesa. Obi ayan kamba nka meka kire wo. Kwagu obi aya na mempese obufo no bekọ.
Na yakoma nyina ya metiwe mensuru
na mempese obeka asembi na ochina nko ya betabiri mesuso no metiwe metimi ni police station kwani aba. Ana mempe ha obi a mam.
Anya metiwe asem no kore ho wa obechima tumsem kodi wa amante 2 weeks ubewu.
No kore.
O sa no kore ya adwuma okruma.
Ba mempese obekokra eye. Kwagu yeni elem muda mo yancham sa ye nyame boa ne yetimi firi aburo yi mu ane ekwa aburo na chi na asem de na asem ka se na no ko renew passport eno ano no esem na je omukuro na to na yenko ye baby na mo amfa mukuro na ja mo amuni de eno
ye kokokoko ye beba omunya ni ye
de me ya no because me ni me se
na me metie ikura ni mi nsuro mo na me mitu kwan bia de mo no de munya ni ye.
All right, so 14 minutes after 7, of course, let me pick a couple of messages for you quickly now. Afe no Minkwajen Krato my George Mami says good morning Diana and your crew. George Mami, long time. Good morning to you. This is also from Mama Crab Boston. They says good morning. Koowaa Show. Alito Noble says good morning to you. The Nation's crew. Good morning to you as well. Nyami Isha no nywa kuma so de mfamam. This from Mama Crab that says that Ghana is the same as women. You will never ever understand Ghana because of our leaders that we have. I'm going for a break. I'll be back. Stay with us.
Semnio so odifo bakopa awurade ayi na ma ya wiemre mu ni odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa ye mpaibo wo kuada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi da nso so no wode asori checheche apisu amaye kona kohwe odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa nsenkyere ne dia wo ye japekrum empokyere ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam ya to wo so yenyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa akwantuo entutumirika enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gye mmofrei ehwe won kosise wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokodanna na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutumirika me enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum fre odifo ewo 0243356583 odifo Samson Kwaku Yeboa osi awiemfo ba
Mini Miss Beyario, Timaya Majusam, your drugstore, and Macope draft. Oh, how to trap. Make out for Dory for Vigo Plus amount. Sell Jewonoma, a boost to immune system. Let's just a come with Janoshi, the canoe serious one. A pretty iron getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sada na milk no complain said, Hunam Nina Janeja. Na me man or Dory for Vigo Plus no. A boost to immune system. The passion say a can in Mojanoshi. Ama and Nemu Edgina brand. Hey, sir, Dory for Vigo Plus, and for the Mania Drabia. Who call your motor Jobia? We are Dory for Vigo Plus. Hey, Dory for Vigo Plus. It is our heart capsules.
It's in a yada, the catcher must say, oh, now you say, oh, do, and now what I am ra. Na a trace immune system no annoyingly. A banasa, oh, yeah, a drop it is a Dory for Vigo Plus. Na it may boost immune system no. The trace a better umujana no she. Let me appoint a real crown biara. I wouldn't pay you. A marine fee, some busumi and the kind of Fredria, won't mean it, Onkani Asia. Oba, Kaise Ubeyisu panty liner. Na what to me when you and no ma ever snackle. Minya Bema, Kaimu say, Busumi Bakwa Quentu and Nafom. It is a one to me, no PBB at the above by.
Dory for Vigo Plus, and Yama open for Enna Abofra Winya and Fear Dumin.
Welcome back from the commercial break. Of course, we are live on YouTube, KUMAWOOD TV. Of course, Facebook, KUMAWOOD TV GH, Some Darkus Initiative, Some Darkus TV. We are streaming live there. Open beautiful shades like I'm wearing. This is a Versace plain, and you know, say open plain glasses like this one. Open frameless, open dark, open design me to say Dior, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, open YSL. No. Just call 0559306325. 0559306325 now. Yembo be better and farmer mom pay some of the lens you tomorrow. If you call this one, you can also put in your lens. This is how it looks like. This is Versace, very beautiful. Gold, plain gold. So we'll be to me at the lens at the atsum at the actual. Well, that story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show, and it's over the weekend, the United Showbiz is so UTV. Now, and say, Mr. Logic, and Nabusia for you made your friend say United Showbiz, Miss G, Edimun Tintimine, and I say, Odi, Hochame. Now, show the son of say, or name Mr. Logic, Miss G, the host, and Mr. Logic, Clashema. Otum se na enye fediagro ekoswa amasebio Mr. Logic e catch Miss G say learn on the job. When he say ejuma no she doesn't know and she should learn on the job. Na yenhwe video na yamba. Stay with us.
We have a problem. Production number 1 is our problem. Obiaka say yenyumu is all right obwa. I am telling you here today, we have a problem. Production. I know a Ghanaian artist who have a very big name in Bodidi. Very big name. Minya visitors from America. They can't remember any song from that person. Are you sure? I say, absolutely none. I say, they don't know his song. They just know the name. But Boaseke, Wizkid, but Davido. Because these guys, they always make sure that the songs somehow have to relate with them. Because some say they are doing business with the word. But Ghana need call studio. The first focus is saying, you know, to Ghana pay. And you know, how do you expect them to explore the word? You can't, because you can't take a song from Ghana to America and then you are working with just your name. Your song is all you have as a musician. Number one, we have problem with our songs. Number two, the issue of funding is one of the key problems we have. But I say, if you say, our people, they should make it. Where is the backup? Nigeria never to me call. Otu Arena no buku. Davido, okay, most of his shows are on to the sika the buku venue. Before crowd promoters were there, they show interest. How many of our people can even afford to pay all these hundreds of thousands to book places?
Once I saw you, it's an omuye with wrap it up in Nayan.
I don't know some
before you into Ukasa will be in Tibium, into Pacho Yen. I
mean, this is no, it's wrong for you to say that.
Me,
you only ask that my consent because I am making my point. You can't say Yen in time. This thing, Miss G, on first time I need to tell you this. No, it's your show. You are moderating. You cannot tell me what
it is 12 midnight. I gave everybody 1 minute. You have been speaking for too long.
You know what? Miss G, don't come back to me to speak. I won't speak again.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't come back to me on this show. I won't speak again. What are you telling me?
I bought 12 midnight.
So what? 12 midnight, so what? Did you time Koowaa? Did you give him time?
You've spoken more than everybody else. In fact,
where's your timer? Where's the timer?
The only argument and If
not for my Don't come back to me, Samikasa. What do you mean by Come on, man. Go around, don't come back to me.
Yeah, that's
what are you talking about?
Are
you asking me? Okay. What did I say? This is the first time you're doing this. What do you mean by what do you mean Omoda for what reason? Don't even come back to talk.
It's okay, then don't talk again. Let's A plus.
Don't even try this with me again.
A plus.
What's wrong with you? Don't feel that you can say disrespect me. I'm not allowing you. You're making me angry with you. This is unprofessional on our part. It is unprofessional. It is unprofessional.
Well,
to tell a panel say it is unprofessional. I am telling you. It's unprofessional. Please learn on the job. Learn on this job.
I've been doing this with you for how many years? Now you want to tell me to learn.
I'm doing you. Don't tell me what you're telling me. Learn on this job.
Please.
Learn on this job.
You learn how to speak to the point and stop whining. You're wasting our time.
Where is your...
Also, don't agree with the facts. Meanwhile, Juma, I've been in this industry close to 10 years. In Accra alone, multimedia, TV3. Meanwhile, Juma, in that 10 years, me sure say you're calculating annually. Meanwhile, you're bare 6 years out of it. So for you to come and sit here and tell me to learn on the job, I don't think it's appropriate.
Okay, can I respond to you now?
Yes, I've told you the reason. I say, at least. And I don't appreciate that comment you made.
Let me also respond to you. When I started doing this media and radio job, Miss G, with no disrespect, now by media muye. Me who say just a reaction from me. This is not the first time you are doing this, and me feedback from people, but me I overlook because I'm sitting down here because of Father Dixon, not because of a moderator who has decided to take sides. Until we are them cry, but for you to get a prompt from production, no, you could have find more better way of addressing. So, Mr. Logic, Ebia, your time is up. That would have make more sense to me. Why the culture will say people are home are sleeping? Yet to me, go 2 o'clock when I'm for any guso. Then I'm 10K, 11K, 15K. Me, I don't have any intention to disrespect you. But if you disrespect me, I will disrespect you because you have a man at home, I have a wife at home. My brand, Mr. Lodge, time Mr. Building now, you are not in the media. I am here because of Father Dixon.
So if Father Dixon is giving me instructions from behind,
so
I
find the right way to put it. Miss G,
so the way
me, Mr. Lodge, I'm a no offense.
No problem. I don't.
Yes.
It's not a big deal. What do I think?
So address me with respect and I give you back that respect.
Me Ejuma na me Ejuma. Inti to kwasi. So wanya TSS Father Dixon na nini.
I have a lot of respect for you, but tonight you made me lost it for you.
You lost the respect from that's fine, but I'm
telling you, you know the way I like you and I respect you.
No,
you don't know, eh?
This is a professional environment. It doesn't have anything to do with likes or
like. Really? Then that's why I dealt with you on the same measure.
So for you to say to me, say I should learn on the job, no, I don't think it's a fair statement to me. If you come to a show that's an immature is hosting, then you also are not qualified to be on the show. Basically, that's what you have said. So don't sit here. I think last week we can say the money dia konomundi nko dia ka chenu ye bon ho ban. I see people come and sit on this show every time, say things, and I've been told to hold my peace. I don't think that you can throw. No, I'm not talking about you, but I don't think you can throw my 10 years of experience away by saying by the time I knew you then. It is not fair.
How about my 20 years?
That you tell me say I should learn on the job after doing this over 6 whole years I did with you.
When you told me that my comment is making people sleep at home,
I didn't. You see, that's what you don't understand, and that's what I've been trying. Please, that's what I've been trying to explain to you. I said Bonitail, na sena or yawning.
What happened between the host and of course Mr. Logic? Papa, maybe say a question na me na say what time no wo wura mododo a o say me catch us say of ayena yena eye yenkrofo da ye
basa na wa hin bi wo mu timi nko amefa so ayi wa no a wo kofie kura ntimi na eya no se chewe akoda fie na wo da na esi utrim bi e be hawo because abrabo aye bo no bunkum dwa nifa eni fa dwa bunkum betie we da wo no ye natin saa na wo so hunu se we da me no wo ye natin samra ya kan adwuna bom se ye ya wo betima ye no betima ka se confirm ho ye do bia ba obeba ba ye ani pakroba no amfama amfa sa akwan ne so ana mehunu se ade ne wo muni mpie saa na betim do bi nso abetena te se ya me nipa ya no odi machi am ne namu so metena na nso so host na obetima ye se nso ne ame metima ya akoduro no anga da bi obegya wa abufuo
no kra de
won se da abrabo
de bia kra ye beko
ntu onipa bia won faso a won so de ma wa brabo se won hwehwe hu ya kokope ne hu me de started so kasa na me hunu ne se onipa bia ahomaso ahantan ni dwe no won heda nche ewo mi ewo adwuma ye friend bi
my potty
obeya asem na me
okay host no
yeah onimba bia wo kro
okay
emframa de hu paade a wonya
okay
so wo vision bi se o person ko international level said otimi ka brofo yi and wo vision bi se o person ye adwuma we di nkofo 25 years 30 years ni bia said we start ni dia 50 years kura be ye dinama no onwene emfa bibia nto nchese ye tumi ama so na host no papa ne che opanyini
yeah
and anim se nya sa host we ye de ahye won sa platform ne so a untimi nya personal de kura nto nsa mfre no untimi kire bi ono ne dado e digire enye easy man and you be proud senka wo bie wa wade no ato nsa afre we yanko waba wo de 10 years e ho ho abra wonim so obetu nipa no wa adwuma mu edie ne no no kan we kire wa wo deserve so ma 1000 times ma ya adwuma 10 years ni mu no 6 years so ne na aye obi a 6 years so ne na aye program no ka say nipa da si e ka tro ze show no oba bi ade no wan kan to producer as a man we dem ne na ya adwuma ache na oba bi e nipa da na wo twen no ma ne betena se na du ni submission so na aba be ka kire ne se o mo da die ne ntem ase se bi nipa no ho afro ase ne ho bon wo show ne so di be yank wo mpiem film timi bato the same as mu betima ka kire kwa me bras the same statement can you tell Arnold there's all one go for particular bi I want respect them mo who obi a me na me tissue we so akwa we wa ye ne ye anka 2 months time no beti asema me kan yawo we don't do that. Why am ye hunu enkurasu wo mu? Why am ye hunu immature wo mu? Why am ye hunu zaze wontene a wo ye no ase? Why am ye hunu wotan wo mu? Why am ye hunu anibre ene anienso ade wo mu? This scene ketua ya ukreti ye ene ma akire nipa o madwene mu da wo no no. Even ma break ko producer hunu sa mu say show no. Or the advert atoso and yakasa gu wasu se wan kasa ye ni ye. Obaya, you came and do worse than Niana SE no kura. So it means you don't know where you are going.
Let me ask you, say, probably now or per se viewers no it's na say ABS say Sebia son Sebia Yado, say Mr. Logic na and na say e wo call say yen intem na encrofor da na okoba e bi obi akasa e dey na bi a lady kan enti fine makọ break aba me mankrofo atidi enti a me kansa na
ekwan bi ko ewa be de be wie bi aboboa no edimbajo jemu ode ba yi no me gokwa mete a kire me se na o meki sense na wo akosi anso e na emi ni akosi ademfu a wonte blofo ne mpo no wei awie ne se na wo kan asempa bi ana asase esubana na yenim no anka twasumpo ni emfa so ano na fomye papa na twina nim nani beba ne ho so ne abeye de e na me kasa se ma behunu ne yenso ade ma hunu hantan ma hunu dwe ehunu nkora se mo sa nipa ba ko pefuo yi mu
okay
be ni mo nyamfo nyame abo fefefe na suni ne de a o be ware yetimi ne ukuna relationship a yesen obi a wonya ohwe obetena show so 2 hours wantima hodu akoma wo ne ho as host nani e be ma ne betena dem afebo no wo be da host no yensua de kakra ye ma adwene nya adwuma kakra
already dey say wa ware ne kun
to bia yenhia bufuo so kakra say no na me kase ndi betena go ti abai say wale de obi atimi wale 10 years etimi nya resource 5 years etimi nya resource ndi fie be yesen say na mpese me busai. Or you are telling me, sir, you can go home and give respect to your husband but and disrespect other one's husband? Okay.
So you have a man at home, I have a woman at home.
Yes, so you can't disrespect me and then you just go away. No, so what disrespect to? A shoe couldn't shame. I don't need a Bob Rasa. I don't need 2 and a moment, been we at 2 ideas. Now, there be a me busani passe. A buffo, we are say, when you pay out to a boom for near. But onipa me no wotena mfa se day bia 2 hours dey metima hodu mabufo wo ho saa metima hodu saa dada niam saa ya won ka me ho me onyam ya wie
so me fa sam no tei
ya wie na pa na wo fra me pa na me fra enye force wo me sia mabu me sia mabu edia no no ntima bibia ama ne ha me metima hu saa de wo ye airtime na me to di fun na me mi aso yi mani wo di asem na se one suyesu asa na man kede gitina da bia beda usu adi ama nipa nyina di say no what here
bisa
enye prem bia na ye no koreka ho ebi ye timi ye wasemi wa ebu ye ni gusu ma ne ko edi ye hunu ne sa na moa obi a che na gine duro obi so a wose time ko na nim se time akopon show na edi na wuni ada way as host is that logic we dey ama amre ne dodo emre na kontiye na ye wuri si ya na abobo so ntam bacho we dey ye na fo anu si host bia ye sa no mdum duma na akoka che ne se omu se dia ase wo bobo wani sa anu won se dia obu
yo ne ehram enti o yo
ne dia sa na positive it is an go for TV ade ndia obi hram ye obi asem na ne obi bo wan so e je se obi o fie bo wa nimdie nim asem no sa de nim nipa medi ne ho ya odne eye mo fa se ebras ka wo de oye prem ye no kwafo na me expect e bi open say oye na we mu mfa the case bi but the girl was wo go bi akena what
fight
and go bi akena what even ka be you mother say they should not sit down and look at
this Diane, I agree with Bishop. If it was A+, like there'll be fire on the show.
You see?
But look at the way A+ was behaving. Hypocrite. Miss V should learn. After all, she doesn't know how to speak tree. They should take her away from the show. They are only pretending to, you know. Oh no, I can't read that.
Diane, what say I don't know. It will be part of
Bibi, please.
You won't know ye. Even an mama brother now when you need chair wo, would need chair wo, scatching wo.
Yeah.
Sabita fracture and can nipa fell in a chair wo.
Yeah.
What do you mean now when you use that word in the dark?
No.
Indigene home. Never was a woo at the tobo. Platform no so and I do a gina baby. But also my wife and Cassie and do baby a platform do a good and on the wow and I do be 2 minutes cow Dima Wemu. That's all my platform near Cassia Chan Wajana. A baby Tidano, Solomon Baba Bediadian, who Nyansa who said, I see David a penny. Na papa you know I'm matured. And Yahinia Cassia, the shan is what tomato toy. Yet the one scan in arm, but me Nyansa, Miss Sacha in you know. The Solobuza was a dear apple solona mingamau. So not to honors papa mi penyansa. E unumuni ni mudia na betimi dia bua woni pa biansem. So lo muses ka reason business na scatter ho. Bo muses woni nyansa e betu na frade so. Ti nyansa na no ohia. De tom da bi na platform bi so chen wonim dia asere urade. Ne ja se kakra na ekura no ya hantansa so onim nia wo ye. Ekoba ne se wie ye moawo. we ni pe betie no be du ho yo mo be gu ho me kokko agusu ni na ya kes ma abrabo ototo ne ma toto ne ye asmo me nye ne ma nyina fe ne kwan so papa no woto no wanyini chenkofo no bebira no mte platform ne so o wodi ni chenkofo no bi o mte platform ne so nanso utim de ma omo se o yonga nkofo a ade no ono de Mesre Mr. Logic so always go to where they will celebrate you, not where they will not tolerate you. Do this one when you are forget the sense carry the memo no. Me dia na de bia me pe animonyam che obi bebe ska atomade no. Dina atoma de na di se mu na me ya ba no. Wo de for sika na me komanim. Dan se me yesa na afa de wo timi taba me bra fa Jimmy Frog. Me unya do
go to where you are celebrated, not where you are tolerated. That's so beautiful, so amazing. Mo fa too much. Dear group ko baby ni celebrate was a why option or ba sa madam sister bra jahoko twu finipa no me no dear go na mo sa so asa me ba we yi we ni asa me ba e yaresia nhumi bie me jaho ba me fa ho nyama me ba no my dog with then I made. All right, so moving on. There I better just say don't let us say man movie will be na I don't know it's me. I'm one young so on. So you should quickly name a video for the day. And me pese me mommy callers na time. Let's watch and come.
You could ye dream about crabby as I think say hefa. Yeah, the me bosom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sana kromo ho ya se on bosom na wunto mo probia replace no. Me ye na ade. Ade no. Sa o sa me ye no se akwe. Me fana ebe fa pa ante no pese o ede. Bosom ne pese o yusu me. Ta se
da bi o me ba to bo se konfo na bosom no.
Okay,
bosom na pese o yusu. Na sa o ya de ye.
Na pese fa so
to do share konfo na. O konfo dollar 1 and 2.
Enye easy.
And I heard like other thing o kasa.
O tisi mi so ama masa. Na me kwatse na me kasa na me ye into hona no crofo no movies agronomy to mo hwe ho se no sa enye agronomy di no me chichire me to me chichire me so mu no mo de me ko ahimfio no mo se no aje we like bosom na fa me
aje wa fa
wa fa me o pese me kom wo kruno so.
And I like me interested person now can ehu.
Oh serious. Interban sa no omo kika nyama bi se ye ntoto. Tie toto ya na mo ye den. Mo ko ko kunkum muwa mo jani adia na. Mo dware miana ansa spirit in if. Free.
Edibe how many hours, how many days? Ansa na hu sa fe do you okay.
Oh first day ne dia man fa ne bete. Na me da ho se ya na mi. Yema mi hu no. Asa madwini ya meti ho se ba madwini.
Enye sini na okutwa na nwasa no ka dia si wa brabo.
Dia si no.
Mama Esther, o si dia ya dia si ma brabo na wo ke.
Brabo na me kan.
Really?
Yeah. Meti ho se ya baby a me ni ehu ade koduru no.
Sana o saka o fa na ba hwe ba ifu industry mai.
Yeah.
Asem o kan de mintimi ngase o moa oboa fi se na mini ho.
Yeah.
Na emum asem ni ngire mu ne de oboa. Kurobia suma wa abusuya ehia omo se ombe baba be kom. Ise abusuya na nyintum na mposo omo ni ho a na omo locate obi. Eno ebe ye kuru no abusuya no nipa foforo bi a se beta frache anko wonka ho. Eno se mo wo hompo na mo nyintum omo di munya wa abrabom. Won kofa obi a se mfira bonten ma se eno akom no kura na pa eso na nanom adae se ehia nipa bi firi ba bi sei.
Okay.
Ti se nipa no. Okay. Awe die na esi enye se omu hia no so mmeko mfa no nya hwe na emu ni omo ye ne sa ne se omo disrespect ikuru no.
Oh okay.
Ube ye esi bia etesa mwanya ho amane ne amamre amfa ni bia ama so okokuru bi na betwa sini ye nsuo ho na ye nsuo wa ye kokko ye ho amane na mo asra ato ntimo ba mba ye de nsuo ne hamo ene hoho no kura amaba na ye din se nsuo ne befa obi na amfa ni mguase anka nkuru no na emum sa afi bia nsuo ne fa obi mum no no de ye ne mpata ese mo de disrespect be wura kuru nima otam mofra no de mo aye na de because mo ba mo amu ni se oda ho na afi na mo hia mo amoba ne nche saa na akom de ne tie ti na akom de no o se wa cheke asinim obi enu ye konfo ayi afi ko wati na ko ya se ma me na o ka tiro ne binom ye comedian omo ye great pa na so omo he da fa kom say yo mu sin no ko he sunsun ko he me bra azozo ko he azozo say o peki bum wazinga ze sarama tumogu no wo na yi bi the kind first movie bi onen knafo na ye no mo kabrofo na yi mi wura fie no sa eno odi nya salinko no jam tutu jam tata don salinko the mask that's the title. Oh, you great, you good, and was a sinimuska or to sell away money. So Salinko. But Salinko, who are Tony, yes, or no creative businesses be a man who yes, I intend bigger quiz. Nyagra Dano could in a chair, antenne. Says in a pub. I didn't hear. One said, naturally, your name be a crescent. This a whole faddy, the agro quine so. That's all young who I can hear. Many penny who say, wouldn't mean away and an agro. Unkoye mu na nim ase abra omundi omudwuma sa they will all come against you. Okay. What do you say? Oh yeah, suffer for example. Yeah. Once we twam bia na ate say suffer we kwase apa ye mhye down we. Oh yeah. E difference ya do obi aba so ye konfo. Na onye na dwuma ya akode we konfo di we gimi. Suma bia etidi konfo ni bia dan na ni be he. Of course. So who's ade a wo ye no di gu na nim ase a obegu anim ase. What do you say? Ebiem wo ye suffer. Na ate ze so fu bia ko bodo na ye sopo na onze how yeah and di pakura wo di atem no enya wo ba wo di ne se me na onya me dikase no obeyam wo so okra kura nhira ni ba no edobi timi freze ofa kan yasa ya wo nto ne bo onze nya ono na ato no but wo ye bi ni ndi onze de ni pains ne de di se woni ho ma se ni pakura ho bro no kura soliti ya wo da bo no wonya adwene ndi ozo sa ne man kitingiti we nyina ya nko mo hye ne nso wo musu godu aga na ye mfa hwi ni wo ye mfa hwi ni wo tu gonya kura bibi sa ato wo mo a emotia ne nam wana asese bisuman no enya ba bi nsu a obefa wo so we nko mfa ne nkomo obebo wo dam ba mo dam obeja sa ade ne wo so wo mu anu aye hatu sa obozo life na say kosisi ebenya konfo okuro nim na onu mumu akọ na ode achiwade aka ansa na wo watuma nya wasumdie enti omo ye sa ade first omo ansua ma obi oye bibia hawo nko a omo ka huhu omo ye stars but musika entima ama hwotale akonfo na mbobo bo mu no o check ni nyina ba obetin se ma make ase nso no mu ye good ebesi na kura hu omo ni ma wo se sinifo na ebe even omo asinim kura timi hu no kura na ayo se aso twa sinikro ma make but omo ana omo gina ma hu se yi no baby omo de fa yi ni amfa
because of sorrow
yes
and to ma no you be ma obetimi reject ya na
say ye wo na ade ho umpa yi no mbe yi afira dumanim oh okay o reason so obetimi ana obusa panyin no apɛ ho akade no waye before say awuro no be call set no so akopre ba ya ye didi agro agi ni sika awie ni de okotena ase a ebi we nsuo ho ne aye da de pampura twitwa ho na wo ye nsuo no sunsum ne beba e nsuo bi we mpa adoma nsuo bi we mpa ben ete a eba usu unim na okofa we se na efre obeduru nso awo na ohia na abo we se ndu na so betena house no do ye aduma unni ho akade ntia be ye hatu na ayo so wabodam se nko afre no oba no afa so aye bibi na aso ni ho akade ntu ye ma hyewo
na memre pa let's go for our video for the day. Stay with us.
them the frog. Show them. She came our area this morning. She still frog. They are the ones who are stealing frog. How will you steal frog? How much is frog? How much is frog? She came inside the frog's room. She took them. 1114. Today we catch her. She is here. Show them the frog. Show them. She came our area this morning. She still frog. They are the ones who are stealing frog. How will you steal frog? How much is frog? How much is frog? She came inside the frog's room. She took them. 1114. Today we catch her. She is here.
I have my first call on the line because my lines are so much activated, and of course, Nipa we don't say we are to support and or be first caller. Hello, good morning. Bacho.
Tiana bako jinasi. But do be asante be kwai. Yan. Mama ntia ne opalumba ne arifu nyina. Ne nyina nkambum, ne nyina fa asedama twedi ampo kwame. Said Diana, you could now, Elade, Asade Ake, Ne Satiase, Asidani Ayinka, Utumfun and Coupon. Now, Diana Mooney as my pa, the Biamoye. Now, Menchia the Qua Mine. One who can answer up to Diana was in fine jacket, and I mean, tell you, ship or the quiet abodom. Diana, I mean, say some pa, Mama and Papa, Mama, Uchi, head day. Now, I can't make any answer. The host program, Diana, 37 1 wanya de kula untimi nkata ncho panyi dan ne watu ntafre ne dan ebia otama so ana emre na medema na untimi nkata etiefo da dan oba no ge no kopa na obra na tel me ka me kan kwa asema change akire no because oguna ni masi enye sa ne host program ada na ugube so oguna ni masi sa wetin go for bedida sa ne kasem onu nko ne du no wa na enyine ko program be kwa fm wa enyine ko program the host program on the Casa and Trimpa, and Drongo Panatel. Anna Diane, if you are the Dion, and of a lume come and can. Oh, and 24 almost told me money. What my quote and tantama, what's in a yaw? Kuma Canamana, you know, then a Crankamufano. And don't it after now or can you see and Comumfano because it could be our name. And she, I was a better man in Sunama, and I might say, Diane, Kumu. The Ghana pen for Munisa, Diamond Darcy.
Then by Darcy piece, I don't pay also what the Wajin tray about. Call us, let's go to 49 minutes after 7 a.m. 8 a.m. Maybe sorry that you made it to Mama. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Pastor Moye.
I'm not doing you. Why am I not going to say?
Yes, sir. All
right. If you have much into one, okay, what are you?
Doctor, radio for the Zafio Soccer. In Sinam, yes, we have my radio of a fan
all right. Yeah, CP Ekefi Yamisha. Call us and let's go. I come a few minutes now. Yes, sorry, media. So I have a caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sister Diane.
Oh, now what to say?
Yamadum, never coin.
Yamadum, Monopale, Kenya.
King David, score number 1.
Oh, okay. It's called better day.
The money, you know, be my parent, Brayera. na hanya mi say wo fa na da ma adre mo ha ode na o Ghana o ye yo o ye nyan pa mo ma be ye wo Ghana kra every thing be bad bre fe yon ba ni square ye da mo ye hia mo ye be hia ma mo ye guamari enu na bre fe ye me ye jima mo ye yara da pie da ye tax dem be square ngulun di wa ya ni nkara then the tax be square azo ye ni ye ndi kaka me ho buke hairdresser shop be wienu e be do e be square o buke shop be square of bukeria dem be square ngbe nya o bangra eju na be yibo bo gwo su omu and when you ben ya be ejuma be aso a nyenga na be wo Ghana ka mo to zunyo mo fa ne lady ni dia nya mo Peace FM UTV kara me da fura mi diare dia na ya ka zo on twi ni on ga twi
on right ka pa
on ga ka pa ni on ga ka pa say adwene be page ma otin kukuma me answer no dia na mo he gire mara mpuna radio station bi ba ha nwuri ke ma nebe kara dia na be di fure na show no take ma anana mama bra o yere ye de ni show ni mutu satin de krewe dia onye yakono ke ye ne kaka na mama bra nchu mo ye won ngana ye de fure na wo ya adre kene be mo chance e be ka ogumo oba obegya na oba di gira then yamri yiguma
nyami ro kwakwa Kenya say in fact say Miss G anka say nyasa na Mac Brown eye show no afei so no say offer air fire penifo na ya me allow no fire o mo fi say na ire bi eye hairdressing salon e ba ne say no bi ono akotwa ne bet no di a ye je hotel since some the doors for one tofa e dey ama. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Great, but we ain't one pay.
Medin the office. Submission on Miss B.
Pastor Entio.
Miss B, so they say, "Oh, police space, and your space, and a pine be brave down." Obvious, this it and I say, "Space, I feel no, you are not the right place." Plans for Miss B, no, she didn't get me wrong. I'm not saying say only potential, but after Nana man, you were looking for be a way to me a police space, no. You say it shouldn't be that vast gap. This is not the first time I Miss B prove say she is not the right person to succeed Nanama. You see, look at the bar Nanama areas here. Let's put minions by now say on professionalism is far beyond you can say language barrier. I know you are an enzyme, but when it comes to professionalism, you all do journalism. I didn't go to journalism school to start radio station. But you himself will show Biswa. Miss B so follow Adiananka from the last quote to Kunu Ubers me quote to Adio Kanda, you stop the person. You did the same here. Maybe we able you just quote the person and then you end the person. Miss V herself was not following the conversation. She was sleeping. So why then wouldn't you talk for others? And sometimes we a hoster, you have everything. You have everything. You know, at a point in time, but any language barrier. No, I don't know. And I did Miss V keep referring. I've worked for 10 years and stuff. Professionalism counts not about years. Yeah, even if you've worked for 20 years, and then they're over 100 to the other, you couldn't mass it. So I would always say, more problem and I know it was pressure though, UTV, but if your mom who say, when we are here, the last time was a Empress, right? Gifty. No, was it Gifty? No, Tiziano, so Father Dixon should look through and then talk to this girl. If not, then amongst us someone for him because a movie was going to a South Corner system Sumiafana. I don't know, sometimes interviewers maybe you just sit there for people to come and tell you mere fast and go. As of the time and I'm in school, I'm in school show. You just come and sit on my show and just say everything and go because when it comes and then people are talking about I have a reference in that. You know, say and family home for a whole lifetime. Why would you say that?
All right. Thank you so much for your contribution this morning. I have 5 more minutes to go, so I'm giving 3 minutes to my colleagues. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Lady Diane.
Yes,
darling. Good morning.
Patrolini baby, I frame me free.
Nana Jan Winiba.
Hey, Nana Winiba Boko.
Uncle Pardon Winiba Boko. Miss G, Mr. Logic, the number Samika Kakra.
Kabinana.
I'm the program. I am a Tashe. Now, Mr. Logic, I am the Casa Wine Kakra. Or the Casa Wine, or the Casa Wine is not straightforward. And Miss G, so the Casa no kind, who do you say? Now, in a way, in a bro, but Mr. Logic, I'm funny ye. Intinenko ye, no. Now, the person visa, Miss G say, one name and I'm empty to say. Because if someone in your fire, then you can't sit on the seat. It will never work. It will never work.
I'm in shower, so wow, that's something else altogether. If I don't have somebody who's not my friend, I can sit on his seat. Wow. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my sister.
Hey, come if I say, I want to say.
Mr. Now, Mr. It begins that I miss you with me with you of me over there.
I'm going to me offer.
Hey, and you might have Mr. I wasn't about some of my about so far. I say, you to offer controversial offer. What do you mean to me? Yeah, it's miss you might. You wouldn't mean to me, one of blasphemy, because I didn't be. I know you might. No for controversial. It's a red black time that I continue to move to know. I think you man, come on. Every time we about the body. Of an uncle to we need a thousand. On or controversial, we need 1,000. Let me tell you, my fan customer, what you know. We will become a new you. Now, if I'm not platform, I am on the platform, Jano. No flu, because telephone, my money and the whole bonnet, a plan on my man. If you come up with your passport, or kind of connect, Jano, or Kata, I look at man home to no more year 2024. It is that is
coming back or be when ya, me maninka. Me maninka na dia chama so dey twa police station kwan, e twa court kwan. Ye fa ko be me si. Me maninka ne e maninka kira. Me fa ko be mpa cho man dey na. Enti no, we dey opa, we dey wa ka wo fie be do wa na de ko, but se me ma fa pa ka de. Me maninka da, me twa na so. Of I say ja, me a fu ba ko na say. Ukopie different mother. So you are my brother from another mother.
Yes.
Diane. You are there any
Kasi.
Tell Bompire.
A Bompire. DJ
Dating
I 13 to 15. I program in Yama SS will be a baby nesse. Ubi was soon solid soft phone or Geo Moody. And until what the Hunufon and I boy you
one.
It will be a charismatic Roman Pentecost no continue prophet. Akubuatin ebebino.
Okay.
So for no
choice. Orthodox life.
Yes. And some yenya nations here omo ka kuru oman mantem wonsem e dey say ege prophet so tuma more that e dey ade we obi ahun wo mu bi.
Wow.
Na odifo nko aba ye sha ase nimpo obi oba ye bi adi adanse. Odi oba na adwene nye no. Oba na wabubu no. So fa ne be share di for 3 way. Eye dan ya obi meet you prophet o. Enipa mfanshi yetim ne mo date ne nto ebehuru kasi school park e course na eba na danu nkonwa be ko park ne so program we massive me sere onipa bia omo anu ne hia me ndine organize we fa ha ne bra park ne so na fa ne awurade
be ye ba o ba be twi nyina wo ye kwaji aboso kempo e da ne de otimu se meye mhu bi wo ha kasa because me say na e bo abasa se na se mi jimi ya
ne yero wo kumase ne
yes mi jimi avete intino mumra na enye fefe wow ebe na so ye de munyina ase mo amofre mo ntimi afre mo amodo message by amankai mo fa enche me wo sa me ka message fine wa hwe efi amano ne Ghana bont be bia we say thank you. Production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show Ayora Samdak with Sasso, and I'm a director for the show Eye Akwesi Adomako Junior. OG director 1 or not, maybe 5 Mabetun Benunsia Babetuno. I love you for that. You're so punctual. And I love you. I don't just say, "Oh, catch him, send me some punctual." Tell me you later, cry, auntie. Don't see any bopa. So turn a million day. Aha, sitting in a mume no. say IFFF nyamisha saso na famous ebo mechi dom ewo MCR medin de Diane edu hene Jemfi kwata na kosia adom dum ya ochna anopa no nsia ebe senhia akram